This is a required weekly test of the emergency alert system, conducted on behalf of the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California. This station is testing equipment that can quickly and effectively warn you during an emergency. If this was an actual emergency, such as a severe thunderstorm, tornado, or flood warning, you would have been notified on any steps and precautions to take to protect your life. KWO 37 serves the Southwest California operational area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.